Before we dive into the grand finale of SCRUMmas, let's take a moment to remember the reason for the season. Today, we celebrate love, hope, and joy. I'd like to wish a very happy birthday to Jesus, whose spirit of giving and compassion inspires this time of year. I also want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who made the SCRUMmas campaign possible. This idea came from less than a 10-word text on my cell phone. This was 12 days before Christmas. The team rallied, worked day and night to build an airplane while we was flying it. So shout out to the Scrum Academy team, shout out to our community of members, shout out to every single person that participated, engaged, and shared your insights. Thank you for coming together to make this campaign super duper legendary. Your contributions have truly made this holiday season special. As we celebrate, let's not forget those who may be facing challenges this season. The homeless, the sick, the shut-in, and anyone who might be feeling alone. Our hearts are with you, and we hope this season brings comfort and light in your own unique way. Now let's keep that spirit of joy and giving alive as we close out SCRUMmas with a festive recap and announce our grand prize winners. Ho, 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 and Merry SCRUMmas to you. The big day is finally here, Christmas Day. And what a journey it's been over the last 12 days. Together, we've shared tips, exchanged ideas, and celebrated the spirit of Scrum and Agile with incredible prizes, gifts, and of course, each other. Thank you for being a part of this legendary community. Now let's take one final trip down SCRUMmas Lane and relive the magic of the 12 days of SCRUMmas. On the first day of SCRUMmas, my true love gave to me a product owner and a pear tree. We kicked things off with the professional product ownership workshop. Second, then we paired up for some extreme programming magic with the Turtle Devs pairing. Third, for the French sprints, we sprinted toward the Professional Scrum Master Certification course. Fourth, calling stakeholders took us to a leadership workshop designed to inspire collaboration. Fifth, Golden Retrospectives gave us free access to the Professional Facilitation Skills course and certification. Sixth, our geese were delivering with the Professional Scrum Master Advanced course. Seventh, swans swarming brought us together with a virtual team building workshop. Eighth, maids mobilizing gifted us with a personalized 1-hour Agile coaching session. Ninth, ladies dancing handed us the Mastery and Millionaires book chapter 1. Woo, what a treat. 10th, Lords a Leaping inspired us to aim high with VIP access to the Give Yourself a 100% Raise challenge. 11th, Piper's Planet helped us to chart our goals with a 1-hour strategic career planning session. 12th, and finally, Scrum Masters Drumming brought it home with a 1-hour personalized coaching session. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, it's time to announce our grand prize winners. These are the amazing members who topped the leaderboard by engaging, sharing, and making this community legendary. Without further ado, let's drum roll, please. Congratulations to all the names that you see on the leaderboard in portal.scrumacademy.com. For the sake of privacy, and I do not have permission to say their names publicly, congratulations to all the members on the leaderboard. This raffle, this campaign has been very, very transparent for the whole time. For the sake of transparency, which is a principle of Scrum that we live by here at Scrum Academy. For those persons on the leaderboard, go look at it right now. All of our incredible top 12 leaderboard champions, you've earned your spot. Celebrate your achievements. Keep your eye on your inbox. I'll be reaching out to you soon with all the details to claim your prizes. For leaders 1 through 11, I'm going to give you the option to select whatever prize is available. I'm going to give you the option to select the prize that you want most. To everyone else, thank you for being a part of the 12 Days of SCRUMmas. You've made this season agile, joyful, and truly unforgettable. That's what you are. Remember, this isn't the end. This is just the beginning of an amazing 2025 where we'll continue to grow, learn, and achieve greatness together. It's all about mastery and millionaires here at Scrum Academy. Remember, it's all about mastery, mastering your craft, and millionaires making a ton of money while doing so. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Scrummers to all, and to all a productive new year. Off Prancing, off Dixon. Where the hell is Rudolph? Off Scrum Masters, off Agile practitioners. Let's deliver value to the world together. Stay inspired, stay connected, and as always, happy holidays, happy Scrumming. And if you would, join me in singing the song 12 Days of Christmas. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 Scrum Masters drumming, 11 pipers planning, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a mobilizing, 7 swans a swarming, 6 geese delivering, 5 golden retrospectives, 4 calling stakeholders, 3 French prints, 2 turtle devs, and a product owner in a pear tree. I'm still wondering what the hell the product owner is doing in a damn pear tree. When you find out, let me know. Happy holidays.